eyeshadows are a great way to dress up your eyes and make your look go from drab to fab. Well, today at Hauterfly, we are here to help you create your perfect PM look from your AM look using this basic eyeshadow palette from Nykaa, which has all the essential colors. So let's get started on our looks. Just use the pearl and the gold elements from this basic Nykaa eyeshadow palette, the three colors that you can see on this side. Now using the darker colors from this palette, I'm going to get this AM look transition into a PM look. So let's see how does that turn out. Well, that's how easy it was to create an AM to PM look using a basic eyeshadow palette like the one I used today from Nykaa. Comment below and let me know what do you think about the looks, and also don't forget to try some on your own. Like, share and subscribe to Hauterfly and stay tuned for many more cool updates.